Good morning, YouTubers. I hope you guys are having a lovely Independence Day. Here's the first video I'm making for our channel, Dr. Gadget, and I'm going to show you a very unique phone that I got. It's called the Vivo Nex. I was averse to buying something from the Oppo and OnePlus and Vivo umbrella, even though I've used all their products. I was using a Pixel 2 before this, but when I saw the feature set that comes with the Vivo Nex, I realized that Dr. Gadget needs to get a lovely new gadget, and if it has to be something, it has to be cutting edge. And this is the Vivo Nex. Have a look. That's the rear camera. And now I'm going to show you the party trick. Can you see that? That's me in the background. It makes a lovely sound. I'll try to record it and probably overlay it on the video, but pardon me if you can't hear it right now. I'm going to try to play it back one more time